reset. Here it is. Give it that one. Head low. You want to see the barrel flat. Yeah, ready? Pull. Nice shot. Ready? Look at that, lovely. Smash them. So.
Okay, no, it's right there, bro. Only £40. Have a go at clay shooters only. Come, you might as well do that quickly. Might as well do that quickly, bro. You know, Rush? No. Can't say no. Bro, what's this, fam? Now we're joking still. What's going on YouTube? You know who it is. If you don't already, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Skiinye. Yo, today we're trying a new experience, a whole different thing. We're on the farming land and that. Get it? Like, hold on. We're not too quick, but we're quick, look. Got set authorized vehicles only over there. Where they respect the neighbours. Yo, a beer pogger and patrol. Me no want boss. Yo, we have to take time with my car, you know. Yo, take time with it. Been a different experience today. Shooting grounds, we look like we're in the sticks though. Blood clot, yo. Let me take it out of sports mode so we don't feel that much of it. I think I'm just gonna jokes here, so you know. Yeah. No, you're blessed, bro. I love driving, although I don't. Cool. In school? Yeah. Same mothers? You seen the first hammer already? Do you know what's mad though, bro? You see when I called them, they were like to me, "What, have you got your own gun?" I was like, "Nah, I'm gonna have to borrow yours." I was like, "Bro, you saying different prices for if you got your own hammer and that." Hopefully, let's see how it goes. So far, that's what I'm looking at. Field work, sword work, sword work.
Sure, there's something else you need to go across.
It said customers walk this way, so I'll just. Yeah. Must be over there, so you know. Must be.
Harry, but that boy them take you out.
That's you should go first.
You right-handed? Nice.
How long have you done this for?
A while. I've been working here nearly 3 years now.
Okay.
About 3 years. Good fun.
I could imagine a job like this.
Yeah. Good. You're on safe there. Get that in your shoulder. A little bit lower, like right there.
Oh yeah.
That's it. And then your right eye is looking straight down the barrel. Close your left eye. That's
Pull.
Boy.
Great shot. Ready?
Pull.
There you go.
Boy.
Definitely shot before. We'll do a few more. We'll do a few more. Yeah. You got them. We'll do about 8 more shots, and then we'll switch over. All right.
That was a good shot.
Ready? Pull. Here you go. You got it. Ready?
Pull.
There we go. Try and lean forward on them. Get that bead on them. Nice. Reset. Reset. Here it is. Pull. There you go. Lovely. 5 out of 10. That's really good. All right. So you right or left-handed?
Right-handed.
Right-handed. Cool. I'll give you that. You're on safe. Make sure, yeah, left foot forward. Right. Then pull the gun tight in your shoulder. That's perfect. Your right eye should be looking straight down at the red dot.
Go on, man.
Put the bead on the clay, pull the trigger. As soon as your bead touches it, pull the trigger. Alright, man. You're off safe. When you're ready, say pull.
Pull.
Easy. Easy. You got another one ready?
Yeah. Pull.
Yeah,
Woo!
easy as that. Well done, guys.
Tic tac.
And smashing them.
Hey.
Do it again.
Pull.
Spot. Ready?
Pull.
Yeah, great second shot. Nice.
Kick back.
Told you it's a different experience, isn't it?
Come on.
Right. Pull.
A little bit early. You were really close there. Ready?
Pull.
Good shot. Very nice.
Kick back on this though, it's quite good.
Yeah, it's quite a big gun, this one. This one's heavy.
What's this, the 410 or?
This one's a 12 gauge. It's
Okay.
30-inch barrel, so it's pretty big. Pretty hefty gun, this one.
Pretty. Pull.
Just a bit early. You ready?
Yeah.
Just under it.
Shit.
You want to see the barrel flat. Yeah, ready?
Pull.
Nice shot. Ready? Look at that, lovely. Smash them. So,
They're
6 out
better
of 10.
than me, man.
Nice.
Guys, so far, brilliant experience. Literally check these guys out. London Clay Shooting. It's Rectory Farm, Enfield. Can't miss it. Brilliant experience.
Come on.
And they're very friendly as well, not to add.
Cool, there's not many people know about it.
Because no one really knows it's legal.
Yeah.
Really?
Let me send one up for you. Goes right to the top. Take it out at the highest point. Got to get your shot off. If you just feel safe, when you're ready, say pull. Pull. A bit early, you're in the right place. Ready? Pull. Just above, not bad. The first one. Yeah, it's difficult because this one's going up. You want to lean back with it. Try not to. Try not to.
Lean back a bit, yeah?
No, lean forward. You're going to want to lean back. Try not to. A little bit high. Get it a little bit higher on your shoulder. Yeah, right there. Ready?
Pull.
Yeah, lovely shot. That was nice. On the way up.
Nice.
That's how the pros shoot it. Rather than letting it get to the top.
Sweet, sweet. You heard that, pros? Pull.
A little bit early. You're on it. Ready?
Yeah, pull.
Close. You leant forward for that one, though. You're doing the right movements. You're getting it. You're picking it up quick.
Pull.
Just above it. Ready?
Pull.
Lovely. That was perfectly timed. Lovely. Two more. There we go. Finish them off.
Pull.
Bit early. Ready?
Pull.
Yeah, good finish. Nice. That's a hard one there. Still hitting them.
Still hitting them. Still hitting them.
Gets to the top and you're still aiming on it. Get underneath it because it's going to drop from there. Try and shoot under it when it's dropping. Ready when you are.
Pull.
That's it. Lovely shot. Ready?
Pull.
That's instinct. Great shooting. Very quick. Seeing it and shooting it. That's how you do it. Well done there.
Pull.
Again.
Pull.
Under.
I went too far.
You
for
went,
that one.
yeah. So the first one, you smashed it both in the same place, the right place. Second one, just a bit low, both. Shoot 'em.
Pull.
That was a hit. Here it is again. Yes, good pair. Oh, a bit early. You were really close. Four there.
Well done, well done, well done, well done.
Scores are tight.
How's the shoulders feeling?
Alright, you guys are smashing them so far. These are well, sort of easy. That first one was the easiest one. That second one was a little bit more difficult. It's just further away. But now we're going up to the top. It's a bit more open. So the clays are flying all over.
Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good, good. Let's see. Right now, I'm just smiling.
So we get this one in the middle here we go now.
This one looks a bit
Now,
different.
Instead of going away, they're coming across us. Like this. This is different. You can look at it, you know that the one that we did down there that went up? You can look at it like that. Instead of going up, it's just going sideways.
Got
So
you.
you've got to shoot it as it's moving. Start sort of on this side of it, follow it back, but it is very low. If you lean forward, find the level, follow it and shoot. Ready? You guys are pretty good at it. Probably better than me. Ready? Wow. Here it is again. Take one step forward, try and lean forward a bit. A little bit early, you're under it. Ready?
Oi.
Instinct there. Got 4 more. Make them count. Cool. Yes, that's it.
Nice, lad.
And again, so on the left of it, you're in the right place.
My time now.
Third one. That time again, smoking barrels.
Yeah, I'll put them over out of the way. 20 each. There you go, I'm safe there. If you want to pick that up, I'll send one up for you so you can see it. Here it goes. The closer you start to it, you find it easier. Leaning forward and starting on it.
Are your time?
My time. This one is pretty much like the one that went up. I was doing the
This is
second
going
one.
across now.
So this one's going across now, so a bit.
Just a different direction. You lean onto it. Start on the right side of the tree. See how low it is. You get that height, go across a bit. As you're moving, pull the trigger, keep going. Follow through it. Ready when pull. That's the gun not going off. That looked good though. I was looking down the barrel there. There you go, have another go. It should go off this time. Yes, lovely. Ready? Pull. Ah, sorry again. Broke the shell. Dud round. I'll give you a hit for that because I haven't got any spares. It looked like he hit twice, really. Moved a bit early. You were just in front of it. And where you were waiting for it, you kind of went above it as it came. A bit higher in the shot. Sometimes I do forget to do that. Come back. Pull. You were there though. Ready? Yep. It looked like you hesitated. You're in the right places. It's just knowing when to shoot. That's the real difficult part. Last 2. Pull. Yep. Reset. Pull. I still think that's a pretty good score. 5.
Do you people actually bring their own guns?
Yeah, we had some people this morning with their own guns. They're pretty good.
I can imagine there's a lot of maintenance.
It can be. It can work out cheaper when you go shooting though. If you buy your own ammunition, stuff like that. The shot on the way up. Ready when you are. Hang on. Ready? Yeah, that was perfect. Easy as possible. When you're ready. Great timing. Just on the right of it there.
Yeah.
It looked like you never.
It's like I'm gonna win.
Right a bit.
Yeah. Pull.
On the left.
Pull.
Went over it. You were on it. You were on it there. I think what happened, you took your head off to have a look at it, and then the gun's angled higher. Then if you have it low, not straight down the barrel, that's exactly where the shot's going.
Get full man out here. Woo!
A bit higher in your shoulder, bring it up. Yeah. Alright.
Pull.
That was a lovely shot. You saw that one. It's all about perspective and holding the gun correctly.
Pull.
Hit.
Lovely. That was really good. That was really, really good. 6 on that one.
See. What can I say? What can I say? What can I say, bro?
You might take it home, you know. You might take it home.
Good shot.
Lovely.
Yeah, I like this one.
Same, it's very similar. You know the first one that you did was just going out in front.
Yeah.
It was like this. So you got that one, but there's 2 of them.
Ooh.
So just take them quick. That's it, point
Bang,
and
bang.
shoot. You don't have to get in front of them or under them or above them or anything. Just shoot them.
Double clip.
Yeah.
Double shot, yeah? Double shot. Ba-bang.
Give them a go. If you're leaning forward, you won't go above them. Take yourself off safe. You ready? That was a hit. Believe it or not, that was a double.
Okay, now, the stakes are
start.
high. Stakes are high.
Oh.
Go low one. Oh. Sorry, I was going to send it out for you.
You're trying to finish it.
Here we go. Doubles.
Oh.
Yes.
Ooh. Double.
Here we go. Doubles.
Oh.
Yes.
Ooh. Double O.
No time wasted.
Ooh. No
Four to go.
time wasted.
Oh.
Look at that.
Wait.
Oh.
Oh. I gotta win this. He doesn't even hurt me. Right, guys. Pull.
Nice.
Pull.
Nice. Give yourself a little bit more time on that second one. You got that first and you had loads of time on that second. Just as long as you're getting them before they drop.
Got you. Pull.
That was it. That was it. Quick shooting.
I see that one.
Keep it up, man.
That's right. Pull.
It looked like you just took a look at them.
Yeah.
Maybe the second, because there's 2 out there, you're kind of having a look. Keep your head down always. Even when you're pulling that trigger, keep your head on there.
Pull.
You hit the second. You hit the second. You're a bit off of them. Here we go. Finish him off.
Pull.
Too fast on the second one.
Yeah.
Too fast.
Tell you what, you had the time as well.
Wicked.
Wow, that was close.
Oh,
That
close
was
like that.
Have a look.
No, well done. Close. You gotta come back though.
Nah, definitely.
You gotta do another.
What was it, 25?
He got 26 off by 1. Oh, well done, bro. Well done.
Yeah, good shooting, guys.
That was a
Both
good
really well.
experience.
Smashed it. Great to meet you guys.
Good experience. Go. I said hello, pie. Guys, I can't cap. Great experience. Make sure you don't come down onto Rectory Farm shooting range. You can bring your own gun or can use their gun. It might be cheaper to use their gun though. 40 or 60 pound, whichever is up to you. Guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Why not share it to your friends? They might want to come and try out. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bless you all. Hope you enjoyed that experience just as much as I did, and always remember, I've got another one coming, so when you think that's just it, I've got 100 more coming. So stay tuned, stay in the loop, stay in the loop, don't go nowhere, stay in the loop. Got the Passat. No, that's what I was thinking.
That's gonna be pack up.
No, 100%. Like, you teach me about road. Like.